Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah Tech. I faced some issues when installing some new broadband or Fibernet connections, which I would like to discuss in this video. So I hope you connect with me through the end of this video, because I'm going to share some really important things which I faced, which I got fed up with some internet broadband companies. So let me just share it to you. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah Tech. In this channel, I do some tech videos, reviews and some tutorials which I'm not doing frequently. So let me know in the comments below so I can make a tutorial right now and upload a video in the upcoming weeks. And also some tips and tricks videos which will be useful for data lives to get off the way through technology. So let's start with this video. So first of all, I'd like to share my experience on the Hathway broadband connection. So Hathway broadband, broadband, yeah, they're still broadband, but they're providing Fibernet cables till our homes. I have discussed enormously about the Hathway in my two videos. You can go to my channel, you can click the icon, but recently icon is not popping here. I don't know what is the reason. In case it pops up, you can click here and watch the video. If not, go to my description. Yeah, I have linked the video, so don't need to worry about that. I have made a video on the Hathway, whether you can get this one in 2021 or not. That video, extensive video I can make, what are the pros and cons. And another video, I made a home setup, how they install my home, entire home setup. I made that one, also discuss some plans, but I couldn't make up because some issues which was faced by me on that day of Hathway server crash, was something was not working. So that pending some information was pending in that video, so that video will be uploaded in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned by subscribing down here. So Hathway, I explain everything in those videos. You can watch the video. So let's move on to the second one, ACT Fibernet. Honestly, I should say that Fibernet is somewhat a bit costly on the budget side, because it's not a budget friendly, but it's worth to get for good internet and all that kind of thing. Internet is very good. What is the problem that I faced? Please make a very important one. I'm not talking just like that. What are the problems faced by me? I'm just talking about myself. Regarding ACT Fibernet, a very big downside that I faced was that my Hathway plan got over on 2020 or November. I have said previous videos. So on that, then I plan to shift to Airtel. I plan to shift to ACT. So these two are the internet providers which I was planning to shift after my Hathway plan got over. So what I did was I just contacted the ACT. So the customer care was amazing, super amazing. I just booked that one trial only, and the next day itself they called me and contacted me, and then they came me and approached and was very much friendly. Actually, it was lockdown time, so you can ask whether he came or not. Yeah, he didn't come, but he contacted me through the phone. He was in my area only. So it was, customer care was super amazing compared to Hathway. You all know Hathway was worse. But now they are coming up, they're saying, but I didn't experience any such things. So let's hope for the best. And usually in my home, we don't put for monthly packs. So it is not appealing for me. For my home, so we put a 6 months package, 6 months full package. So it is kind of useful for us, because one time installment like that. So what I planned was that I just contact them. They charged for approximately 7,600 rupees for 6 months. And in addition, they also included the installation fee within that 7,600, not any extra charges, and they gave 1 month free. So totally 7 months with installation charges. It's a free. I just paid them, and what he said was, after the payment was done, I just paid it full payment, 7,600, and I was just sitting in my home calmly waiting for some internet to come so that I can browse and make some videos, because I don't have internet other than Wi-Fi, broadband. So I just was waiting, and he was like, okay sir, we will just come to a home and we will check whether it's connection or everything. So we will just set up in 1 or 2 days, they said. Okay, I just waited. I was just waiting, and the night time he called me, sir, sorry, we couldn't afford today, so we will come tomorrow and we will make arrangements. Okay, I just waited. I just waited. Okay. Now the next day, the one guy came, the wire, some wire guy will come now. I'm not just, my words may be harsh, but my intention is not like that one. That wire guy, I don't know what is the name for that, for them. Sorry, I'm very, very sorry for that. The word to use, wire guy, sorry for that. So that guy came and he just went to my terrace and then rooftop, and then he was checking for nearby. I mean, you know that one big box will be there. So that box only they'll distribute to many other houses they rent. So he came and then he was just saying like this. Oh, where is the box? Where is the box? There was no boxes around my home for the next 100 meters, I think so. Because all our Hathway users around my home, ACT users is not there in my home itself. So further, what can I do? So what that guy said, okay sir, this is not our work. So the box is not there. So we will just go off and then we will arrange someone who will come and install the box. So I was like, what? Already one day went and this is the second day. I was like, what, this guy, they are not doing well. Okay, I just waited, because why I'm saying is that before getting the money, before registering, they should come and check to our home whether we can set up this Wi-Fi or not. I mean the internet or not. And then they have to give some estimated time. So they should say, because that's the thing of a good customer care. So they didn't say that. Okay, I was like, okay, I'll just wait. So 2 days went there, they didn't come. After that, he just contacted me, say that, okay sir, I'll arrange. He didn't send anybody. And the next day, third day, it was raining, I think so. That night it was raining heavily. Second day night. So due to that, some wires have been cut down. I mean, the existing customer, ACT customers wire from home that would line something has been cut off. So what he said was that, sir, we couldn't come today because our existing customers have been cut off. So that's our main priority. So we should go there. Yeah, what I'm saying is that I just paid you 7,600. You give some assurity that I will fix till this. He said 1 or 2 days, but it's the third day, but he didn't come. He said, okay, I accept. I'm not blaming him. I accept everything because the pressure will be there from manager. Everything will be there. But at the beginning, he should check and then say me the exact time. But he didn't say. So, and then what I did, okay, I just wait. And it was like afternoon, it was like evening, night, he didn't come again. I was really fed up, and also my father was also very much angry on him. And the next day, the fourth consecutive day, again I called him and then, sir, you come and we'll solve my. Then he said, sir, sorry sir, we couldn't afford today, still lines were cut out, and he also didn't come on 4th day. So what I did, sorry sir, I don't want your ACT connection. Please kindly give my money back and I will cancel it, I said. So here what he should say, just as a viewer, you say what he should say. You say, you let me know in the comments below, because you cannot say sorry for that. Let me know in the comments below. But he said, okay sir, no problem, you just will return your money. Just a single word, he just finished off my 4th day of waiting. So I was like really very much fed up. So, and that was the time I hated ACT. That was the time I hated ACT. Because they didn't give a specific time and they didn't give some response for new customer. And I think some lines have been cut off. So they are not putting some strong established line. And this issue, I mean the line cutoff issue was not there in my Hathway for my past 4 to 5 years. So it was really good and amazing. So that's all on ACT. And for a kind information, I am residing in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and there is no ACT service center here in Chennai. So if I need to go straight, if you go to straight and talk to them in some office kind of thing, I could not make. I have to go to Bangalore because that is the head office. So I just, I thought, okay, let's just wind off everything, move ACT and just skipped off. So then what I did was that, so I just went to Airtel service center. It was near my home. Sorry guys, I just put this clip on, so I'm just biting. I couldn't talk much, so I just bited my my mouth itself for 2 times. Sorry for that. So I just went to the Airtel service center, and it was a really funny part. I didn't expect this from Airtel, a very big connective, very big one. They are running across India. But what they give a simple reply. Okay, just I'll talk to. If I think also, I just feel like how they are doing like this. Okay, I just went and gave my location, my address, and they told me wait. Okay, I was waiting, and they say that sorry sir, we cannot provide internet for you for your home. I was like, what? You are a very big company, a very big one. Why you cannot? I asked them, but they said no sir. That too, my home is on main road. It's a very say Kachra area. I say no, a very crowded area. Yeah, it's very much crowded area in Chennai. They said we couldn't put the line on the road because my home is on main road. I was like, what? Okay, I just okay, sir, thank you, and then I just went off. Then after that, where should I go? I saw for JioFibernet. In JioFibernet, there's been some issues. I know what. Yeah, some of them said some connectivity issues, but and also they asked me to pay 3,500 rupees for installation. I mean for one-time payment like that. So I couldn't afford that, so I just skipped that one also. And I thought of going for BSNL, but some of the BSNL towers are not working well because recently you all know very well in India, BSNL towers. I mean, there are some. I don't know what is the issue, but BSNL service is not good. If I'm sitting, you can see this room. This is a room I'm sitting. This is a far most part of my home. If my mom and dad are using BSNL, I'm using Airtel. Okay, I'm using Airtel. Okay, just leave that one. So I'm using BSNL. My father and mom, they cannot talk to some other of my relatives or friends by sitting in this room. They have to go out of the window and then we'll talk. So I just skipped into BSNL also. So then again I went back to where I came, to the Hathway, because there is a service center in Chennai. So I went to the service center and then I said like this is so and so, and within 5 minutes, it took approximately 10 minutes to come from the Hathway service center to my home. So I just told them and paid the money. So like 6 months plan I put one. So I paid the money. And when I reached home, within my reaching home, it was like approximately 10 minutes, I think, so for 10 minutes, they gave back the internet. So I was like, okay, you should not go expect more. Yeah, if you think so, like that one. So these are the very big issues that I faced on the ACT and Airtel. BSNL Jio that I didn't face, I didn't experience, but nothing. Okay, this is ending part of this video. I like to mention another one incident, Airtel incident. So, my home is the main road. Okay, next to my home, my home is main road. There'll be a street across my road. Okay, so if you cross the street, you can go inside the street. So there's a home inside the street next to my home, next to two buildings, my home. So I was like buying some goods for my home. I was just so just hold on, battery is going on my laptop, so just wait a minute. Sorry guys, my laptop battery got down because I'm recording this audio through the laptop, so I couldn't make that one. So okay, where I left okay, now. So there was a home nearby. I was just buying some goods for my home and I was coming back. That time I saw 2 to 3 guys with Airtel Xstream logo. They'll put some logo here and t-shirt, a red t-shirt. I was just standing there and watching what Airtel Xstream Fiber in the Broadband Airtel Fiber they are installing it, because they'll put the wire, their new internet, they'll put wires and they'll put line and everything. What they put? Okay, I just went to them and I asked them, sir, what are you doing? They said we are putting internet. But that guy hesitated to say me the answer because I don't know why he did, but he said like that. Then I asked him, sir, I also went to your service center and I also asked for internet, but they said they would not provide internet to your main road. But how come you are giving internet? You are passing by my home and then giving internet to someone else who are inside the street. I asked them. He said, sorry sir, we couldn't make that one, but this customer asked this. He said like that one. So then only I found out that he was a relative of this home. So he made that thing. So I don't want to disclose much about that one. So what I'm saying is that for them they are putting, but for me they are not putting. So there is some kind of issues in Airtel also. So but regarding to the internet speed and all that thing, I'm not complaining anything. It's very much fast because I also made a video on Airtel Xstream Fiber wireless modem. You can click an icon and watch it also down in the description below. That is really amazing. Also Airtel, also some of my relatives are using. It's very much fine. Internet is fine. So in next video I would like to break down the home setup of ACT. So I'll just let you know in my next video because one of my friend was using ACT. I just asked him when I could come and make a video. He said I will let you know. So in my future I'll just make a video. So stay tuned and watch my upcoming videos. Subscribe down here. So also follow me in my social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can see here all that thing. Also support me in my Ko-fi and buy me a coffee page. You can see here. These are the support page for me. So you can just follow me. I'm also selling some digital products in that. So you can just get me know much better. So by signing up. So see you next video. Before signing off, this is Rais Ahmed from Qurrah Tech. See you next video. Bye bye.